it's me, Blippi. And this is my best friend, Meekah.
Hi, I'm Meekah. Nice to meet ya. And this is our car, the Blippi Mobile.
Yeah, the Blippi Mobile takes us to amazing places where we have awesome adventures. I wonder, where will we go today? Jump in the Blippi Mobile.
Jump in!
We're playing
And learning along the way.
Hey, adventures, come this way. It's Blippi and Meekah's ultimate road trip. Yay! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And this is my best friend, Meekah.
Hi, I'm Meekah. Nice to meet ya. And this is our car, the Blippi Mobile.
Yeah, the Blippi Mobile takes us to amazing places where we have awesome adventures. I wonder, where will we go today? Jump in the Blippi Mobile.
Jump in!
We're playing
And learning along the way.
Hey, adventures, come this way. It's Blippi and Meekah's ultimate road trip. Yay! Meekah! Whoa! 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 Meekah, listen to how loud I can be when I jump up and down on the floor.
Wow, that's pretty loud, Blippi.
I wonder, what are some other ways we can be loud?
I know. We can both be loud by pretending we are monster trucks.
Yeah! Great idea! Vroom,
Hey! There's a monster truck rally here in town today.
That sounds awesome! Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Road trip! Hey, friend, do you want to come with us? All right!
Awesome! I'll check the maps I've got in my jam pack.
Meet you at the
Blippi Mobile!
BLIPPIMOBILE. Click, click, put your seatbelts on.
Get ready for a ride.
We're gonna have some fun in the Blippi Mobile. We'll drive away, finding new adventures. We'll laugh and play. Let's BLIPPI.
Let's go!
MOBILE.
All right, according to my map and compass watch, we need to drive to the monster truck rally, which is straight ahead.
Awesome! And I know the perfect game to play while we drive there. What's outside your window?
Hey, friend, do you want to play What's Outside Your Window with us? Awesome!
You can look outside.
Close your eyes.
Imagine what you see. A monster truck.
The plane.
Who knows? What's outside your window?
Okay, I'll go first. I see a silver bus full of cheering people heading to the monster truck rally. It's a bus full of monster truck fans.
Whoa! Yeah! What do you see or imagine outside your window? And what sound does it make? That's so cool! Did you hear that? It's a crowd cheering and monster trucks roaring! We made it to the monster truck rally!
Yay! Let's drive inside.
Whoa! That guy has a megaphone! That will make his voice mega loud!
Welcome to the Monster Truck Rally, where monster trucks race and do tricks. I'm Ron Rumble, the show announcer, here to tell you everything you need to know about monster trucks.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my best friend, Meekah.
Hi, I'm Meekah. Nice to meet ya.
Nice to meet you, Blippi and Mika. Take a look and have a listen. It's all here. Well, actually, it's all here except we're a truck short today. Hey, I've got an idea. Do you want to drive the Blippi Mobile in the Monster Truck Rally today?
Yes,
please.
Whee!
I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
The Blippi Mobile is ready to roll.
You'll have a monster truck-sized good time. But I keep hearing a beeping sound. Do you hear it too?
Hey, I know the perfect game we can play. What's that sound?
Yeah! Do you want to play too? Awesome! What's that sound? Follow your ears, what do you hear?
A honk,
A splash, or even a roar! Listen all around for the sounds today!
Okay, let's listen.
Whoa! It's a big, green dump truck. What do you hear? Awesome! Did you know a dump truck has a big bucket on it called a bed? So silly.
The dump truck just dumped a huge pile of dirt on the tracks for the monster trucks to drive on.
That horn means the Monster Truck Rally can begin!
Yeah!
Okay, Blippi and Mika, whenever you're ready, you can just follow the other trucks. Do what they do, have a blast, and be careful.
Let's go! Yeah!
So cool!
Look at that huge green monster truck with giant purple headlight eyes.
Listen to all the squishy sounds we're making in the mud.
Squish, squish. Did you know monster truck tires have special grooves in them called treads that help them drive through squishy mud? Monster trucks are big. Big!
Monster trucks are loud.
Loud! Monster trucks jump high in the sky and they make such a monstrous sound. Oh, monster trucks in the air. Oh, monster trucks in the dirt. Oh, can you hear their engines are roaring so loud? We're having fun over here.
Look, there's one of the dirt hills that dump truck made. The whole audience is cheering for us, Blippi. They want us to drive over the dirt hills.
Are you ready to drive up the big dirt hill with us? Awesome! Here we go!
We're doing it! We're almost to the top of the hill.
Whoa! We made it to the top of the hill! We're so high up! Now we can drive back down to the bottom! Hang on tight!
Whoa! It sure is a bumpy ride down! Wow! Those monster trucks are driving over the ramps and jumping into the air! They can do that because they have special springs so they can bounce way up and down and not tumble over.
So cool! Let's join them!
Oh, yeah! Woohoo!
Wow! It still feels like we're flying! The wheels of these monster trucks are so big!
Uh-huh, sure are! Monster trucks have huge wheels! They weigh 650 pounds each! That's as much as a zebra!
Whoa! That truck jumped off a huge ramp and did a flip!
Hey, friend! Do you want to join us as we do a flip? Cool!
Here we go! a monster Blippi-mobile flip. That was so awesome!
Thanks for joining us, Blippi and Mika.
Yeah, it's so fun to learn by watching closely and following along.
Yep. Oh, it looks like everyone is heading home now. Are you ready to drive back to the clubhouse?
Yep, let's roll on out of here. I had the best time joining the Monster Truck Rally, driving up big hills, and doing a flip.
Me too, Blippi.
It's been so much fun learning new things today. What did we learn today?
Learning is so cool.
1, 2, 3, can you tell me?
Today, I learned that a dump truck has a bed that carries dirt and then dumps it on the ground. That's so cool.
I learned that monster trucks have springs that help them jump high and land safely.
And also that monster truck tires have special grooves in them called treads. Yeah. What did you learn today? Awesome. I liked it all so much. Wait, I have an idea. Let's have another road trip real soon.
Great idea, Mika. And you're invited too.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Jump in the Blippi-mobile.
Jump in!
We're playing
And learning
along the way. Hey, adventures, come this way. It's Blippi and Mika's ultimate road trip. Yay! What's making that sound? Oh, it's a race car. It's going so fast. You're right. The Blippi-mobile could never go that fast. I wonder, why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? Good idea, Debo. We can go to the racetrack and find out. I'm gonna need race car tires.
Race car tires confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Hi! Are you here to try out the racetrack?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're actually here to find out why race cars are so much faster than regular cars.
Hi, I'm Ricardo. Let me show you on the track. Let's race!
All right.
Before we race, I have a really important job for you, Debo. I need you to be the captain of the pit stop. During the race, I'll pull in here so you can keep me in tip-top shape. Can you help out and do that job? Oh, nice try, Debo. But what you'll be doing is gassing up my tank and swapping out my tires. Okay, race time! Helmets on and buckle up!
Whoa! I'm going really fast. Whoa!
I'm not even going as fast as I can. Only 180 miles per hour now. Race cars are made out of a lighter material than regular cars. Plus, my shape helps me race easier into the wind. It's called aerodynamics.
You and my Blippi-mobile are definitely different shapes.
Pit stop, Captain. Do your thing.
You can do it, Debo. Ricardo, do you have special tires?
I do! My tires are wider and softer than regular car tires, so I can go even faster on this super hot track. Thanks, Debo.
Now you're even faster.
My powerful engine is 5 times stronger than a regular car's. I can reach my top speed of 220 miles per hour. See you at the finish line, Blippi!
Whoa! Yay! But now I have the answer to my question. Why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? It's because race cars are aerodynamic and made out of a lighter material, have special tires to race on the hot track, and a super powerful race car engine! Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Ricardo.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Debo. Ciao.